Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mini eclairs. Preheat oven to 400 degrees F and bring water, butter, and a pinch of salt to a boil in a saucepan. Add flour all at once and stir until dough forms a ball. Remove from heat and beat in eggs one at a time until smooth. Transfer to a piping bag and pipe 2-inch logs onto a lined sheet tray. Chill briefly if needed. Start by making a silky pastry cream that will fill the mini eclairs. Heat milk with half the sugar while whisking egg yolks with sugar and cornstarch until pale. Temper hot milk into yolks, then return to heat and cook until thick. Cool the cream completely in the fridge. For ganache, warm heavy cream and pour it over chopped chocolate, stir until smooth, then let it thicken slightly before dipping. Hey friends, please subscribe and like if you find this video helpful. Quick recommendation. The Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated while you bake, has a leak-proof lid, and fits cup holders easily. I use it between batches to stay refreshed and sane. Check the description for the link and other deals, and snag one if you want a reliable bottle. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference. Now let's get back to the video. Once shells are cool, prepare to assemble your mini eclairs. Make a small hole in the base of each shell, or use a narrow tip to pipe pastry cream gently until the shell feels full. Dip the tops into warm ganache and let excess drip back into the bowl. Arrange finished eclairs on a tray and chill for at least 30 minutes so the ganache sets and flavors meld before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.